Why would you ask me that?
Because I am. Did you fuck him? You fucked that nigga?
I'm so sorry.
What the fuck? Wait, you fucked him?
I'm so sorry. I didn't mean.
You not fucking sorry? You just gonna throw that nigga in my face tonight?
No, he was gonna be there. I told him what we did was a mistake.
Oh, so you fucked up our shit for some nigga who's a goddamn mistake? Did you fuck him more than once? Did you fuck him more than once? You fucking lying.
Lawrence, come on.
Fuck, I thought we were in this, Issa. I'm so fucking stupid, man.
I'm stupid. Just tell me what I can do, and I
Get
will.
the fuck out of here.
Lawrence, please.
Get the fuck out of here, Issa.
Lawrence.
Issa, get the fuck out of the way.
No.
Issa,
What
get
do
the
you-
fuck out of the way.
Just talk to
It
me.
ain't shit to talk about. Get out the way.